Hello everyone, welcome back. In this section, we'll show you how to use path pair group in EasyEDA to make your PCB layout more organized. Go to the PCB adding interface, find path pair group in the network list and click it. Click the plus button. In the pop-up window, add a new group and enter name. In the Select Path area, choose the corresponding path or click Select Path and pick them directly on the canvas. Use the same way to choose the path tool. Once selected, click the arrow in the middle to add them to the group list. Then click Apply and Confirm. Path pair group helps keep paired paths aligned and at the correct distance, which is especially useful for differential signal or other paths that need to stay paired. This makes manual routing cleaner and easier to check. Next time you design a PCB, remember to use path pair group to keep your layout neat and efficient.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.